In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Messenger can't access the chat issue. Let's get started. Start by completely closing the Messenger app on your device. Once it's fully closed, launch it, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is check for the updates. So launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Messenger. After app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next up, you can clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option General, click on iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find Messenger and launch it. Now click on Upload app and confirm it. With this, the cache will be cleared. For the Android device, what you want to do is launch settings. Scroll down and head over to the section Apps. Here you will see a list of your installed apps. Find Messenger in the list, launch it. Then click on the option Storage. Click on Clear Cache and confirm it. And that's it, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.